Hi everyone. I am Chandra B. Welcome to my technical video. This is the very first technical video of mine, and first time I'm creating a channel on YouTube and just on the basis of AI based whatever technologies are trending in these days in the market. I'm just gonna brief you, guide you, and make you learn at my level best. So whichever query you will be having in the further sections, please let me know. Please like comment below, or please like if you want to do any kind of changes or anything in the video. Please let me know. Thank you so much. So now I'm going to start the video where I'm like diving basically into the basics of microservice. The microservice architecture, which is basically a game changer in our trending and future software development, which all are mainly targeting, to provide best methodology in solving real world enterprise problems. Whereby problem with the traditional architecture is like tightly coupled things like APIs are tightly coupled, modules are tightly coupled, databases, so which can be manageable. But the moment application grows or requires any flexibility in it, it creates challenge for any organization or for the developers, programmers, or the tech leads, everyone, whoever are involved in this application in the project. So while scaling any specific feature, single module get crash, it gets high risk while system wide. Slowness in the database transactions or integration gets tougher across distributed and cloud environments also, because tightly coupled structure eventually put limit the flexibility and agility that today's fast paced business environment requires. So what we have smarter choice, microservice over monolith application, which we have explained as just now above slide, in which microservice, which we have more modular, independent, scalable designs, or if I would say in simplified way, microservice provides the solution by overcoming problems of monolithic application, whereby APIs can communicate with each other in more flexible and faster way. Developers can deploy and scale their respective modules like independently via using different databases when needed, which offer faster response to change business requirements. So here one large or one huge application can be manageable by building small services that work together on a system. Now, why microservice? So the beneficial stuff for it to development team and the project stakeholders, like microservice gives smaller teams to own individual services, while upcoming updates it reduces the risk or breakdown or crash of the entire system or your application. This will be much easier and faster delivery and development or the deployment both. Team can perform any changes by using any new technology or can perform any experiment on isolated service. Seamless scaling, like fast and easy integration with third party system from the business point of view. So a strategic decision, it will be like strategically if we will see, so it is most important to know that microservice architecture is not a development level decision made on day one or made in a minute. It requires all stakeholders, technical architects, solution architects. Why? Because microservice architecture affects database structure, cloud deployment strategy, whatever we had during deployment, API management, security and compliance, of course, and long-term maintenance cost as per the business point of view. So because it is an architectural approach, so it has to be in the sync with the future proofing strategies, like roadmap of a project and the business goals. So very importantly, I would say here that microservices are complex in communication, like service, discovery, versioning, logging, and many more. But the but the moment it's implemented, it simplifies maintenance, scaling, and enhancement over time to time, whenever we will be requiring it. So here, in my last, the just above which I skip, it was basically the architecture which I'll cover later on. So microservices are not easy to understand at very first, I would say. In summarized manner, I will say here that why we choose Microsoft architecture, because it gives future proof solution for scaling and evolving technologies, or evolving the new technologies, or adapting the new technologies, better collaboration among teams, whoever team are involved in one project, and clear control over each component, whatever modules, whatever service we are going to create, we will be having our clear control over it. Now, thank you so much as you listen me till this time, till 6 minutes. So if you are a developer, or you are architect, or anyone who are starting your journey in building a scalable application, so please stay tuned in my upcoming videos. I will be covering real world microservice patterns, tools, and like deployment strategies, and how to make this architecture work for your any business. So please do like, share, and subscribe for more practical videos. See you next time for your queries, if any, from any one of you. Please support this channel so that I can share my experience. I can share the proper guidance to you guys, whoever are keen to learn. This channel is for interns till experienced peoples who are really keen to learn microservice, and along with it the AI based technologies. Plus, this channel is basically for those peoples who are already they're into the technology, into the application development. They can also come here, they can ask the questions, they can share their current problem, current scenarios, and I will definitely approach in that direction by solving your issues over the channel. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much as you were here, you patiently you have heard me. So thank you so much.